Namaste, good evening. Do you know there is a very high level of inner intelligence which is working inside you? You don't believe it? You eat the food and the food becomes your body. You think something in the mind and you do the things. How? Sitting here, you are inhaling air, and inside your body, inside your stomach, biochemical reactions are taking place. Large number of chemical reactions are right now taking place inside your body. They are manufacturing their foods. You are made up of trillions of cells. Discover your inner intelligence. Connect yourself with the inner intelligence and use it for your purpose of life. The earlier you discover, the earlier you connect, better it is for you. Now, today I am going to take you deep inside you where lies the intelligence. The manufacturer of the food is inside you, not outside you. Everything is inside you. Inner intelligence, inner power, the healing is also going to take place inside you. So we will do a short healing meditation to connect ourselves with our inner intelligence. The connection between your mind, body, soul and heart is your breath. Breathe the air, the oxygen which you inhale. So we will pay attention and do a small meditation. What I am going to do, I am going to close my eyes. I am taking my glasses off. Take a deep breath in. Ujjayi breathing. Breathe in. Deep breathe in. Breathe out. Another one. Inhale. Exhale. One more long deep breathe in. Breathe out. Now we are going to begin our meditation, healing meditation, breathing meditation to connect ourselves with our inner self. I will put small music on. Close your eyes. Inhale from your two nostrils. Relax. Take deep breaths in, breathes out. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Consider the oxygen going inside the two parts of your brain. Left side of the brain, right side of the brain. Feel the oxygen inside your lungs. Inhale, exhale. Experience the oxygen inside your stomach. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Experience the oxygen in your entire chest, in your entire stomach. Experience the oxygen in your entire face, in your entire mouth. Experience the oxygen in your entire hands, in your fingers. Experience the oxygen in your legs, knees. Experience the entire oxygen in your feet, the fingers of the feet. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Find your inner source. There is a very high level of inner intelligence inside you. Connect yourself with your inner intelligence. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. The oxygen has filled your entire body, and each and every cell of your body. Trillions of cells are now packed, filled with oxygen. They are vibrating, they are dancing. Every cell of the body has energy, is inhaling oxygen. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Imagine and bring awareness to each and every cell of your body. Now you are trillions of cells. Every cell of your body is dancing. Keep smiling, smiles on your face. Experience the energy, experience the inner power, experience your inner intelligence. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. Experience the bliss, experience the joy, experience the peace, experience the quietness, experience the creativity. Rub your hands, rub your hands. You are doing work on your hands. Work is converted into heat energy, healing energy, healing energy. Massage your entire face. Feel calm, quiet and relaxed. नमस्ते. मैं फिर मिलूँगा with something new to help and feel better, think better, believe better, work better, and thanks to the universe for giving me the life which is very beautiful, and I am very happy. Express my deep gratitude to the God that I am breathing and breathing. Namaste.